Welcome back to Quiz Core.
How good is your geography knowledge? We've got 40 tricky questions to test your world IQ. How many can you answer?
Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Core channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go!
First question. Which country spans the most time zones? Answer C, France. What is the capital of Australia? Answer C, Canberra. Which country is doubly landlocked? Answer B, Uzbekistan. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Answer C, Angel Falls. Which island is shared by 3 countries? Answer B, Borneo. Which sea has no coastlines? Answer B, Sargasso Sea. Most active volcanoes in one country. Answer C, Indonesia. Northernmost capital city in the world. Answer B, Reykjavik. What is the driest place on Earth? Answer C, Atacama Desert. Which country was formerly Abyssinia? Answer B, Ethiopia. Longest mountain range on land. Answer C, Andes. What is the smallest ocean? Answer C, Arctic Ocean. Largest non-continental island. Answer B, Greenland. River that flows through Grand Canyon. Answer C, Colorado River. Southernmost city in the world. Answer B, Ushuaia. What is the capital of Switzerland? Answer C, Bern. Country with the most natural lakes. Answer B, Canada. Deepest lake in the world. Answer C, Lake Baikal. Which country has the most pyramids? Answer B, Sudan. City located on 2 continents. Answer B, Istanbul. Land of the Midnight Sun? Answer B, Norway. World's largest monolith. Answer B, Uluru. Most populated city, metropolitan. Answer C, Tokyo. Range between Spain and France. Answer B, Pyrenees. Largest landlocked country. Answer B, Kazakhstan. Who owns the Galapagos Islands? Answer C, Ecuador. Smallest continent by land area. Answer C, Australia. What is the capital of South Korea? Answer B, Seoul. Highest point in Europe. Answer B, Mount Elbrus. Where is the Great Barrier Reef? Answer B, Australia. Longest river in Asia. Answer C, Yangtze. Lowest point on land, Dead Sea. Answer B, Israel/Jordan. Largest gulf in the world. Answer B, Gulf of Mexico. What is the capital of Vietnam? Answer B, Hanoi. Highest peak in Japan. Answer C, Mount Fuji. Venice of the North. Answer B, Amsterdam. Line of 0 degrees longitude. Answer B, Prime Meridian. Largest lake in Africa. Answer B, Lake Victoria. River border of USA and Mexico. Answer B, Rio Grande. Largest salt flat in the world. Answer C, Salar de Uyuni.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.